Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's class, I will give the weightage and expected questions from the chapter Applications of Derivatives. Here the weightage is 10 marks and the marks is distributed like this. For part B, it comes at question number 17 for 2 marks, and at part C question number 29 for 3 marks, and for part D question number 43 for 5 marks. Total the weightage of this chapter, that is application of derivatives, is 10 marks and only derivatives is 22. So total we have 32 marks only from differentiation and its applications. So now I will give you the expected questions from this chapter. First I will give at question number 17 part B, 2 marks question, part B. The question comes at question number 17. It comes at question number 17. So read on the first one. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x at x is equal to 2. Then second one, find the local maximum value of the function g of x is equal to x square minus 3x. Third one, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2 at x is not equal to 2. So not at, comma, x is not equal to 2 at x is equal to 10. Fourth question, find the interval in which the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x is strictly increasing. Fifth question, find the points on the curve x square upon 4 plus y square upon 25 is equal to 1, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Yes. Moving to the next question, that is question number 6. Find the interval in which, sixth one, find the interval in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing. Question number 7. Show that the function given by f of x is equal to 7x minus 3 is strictly increasing on R. Next, show that. 8th question. Show that the function given by f of x is equal to 2x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R. Is strictly increasing on R. Sorry, 3x plus 7. 9th one. Show that the function f given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x. X belongs to R. That means from the set of real numbers, for all real numbers, is strictly increasing on R. Is strictly increasing on R. Moving to the next question, that is the 10th one. Show that the function given by f of x is equal to e raised to 2x is strictly increasing on R. Eleventh one. Prove that the logarithmic function is strictly increasing on 0, infinity. Next question, 12th one. Prove that the function given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is increasing on R. Next, 13th one. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Next, 14th question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. Yes. Moving to the next question, that is the 15th one. Moving to the next question, that is the 15th one. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, at which the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Question number 16. This is also important question. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square, at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. See, these are the expected questions in part B for question number 17. Now I am giving you the expected questions for 3 marks in part C for question number 29. Three marks in part C. Each question, only one question comes, that question carries 3 marks in part C at the question number 29. Read on the first one. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing. Second one, strictly decreasing. Next question, that is question number 2 in part C. At question number 29 it is. Find the point at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Moving to the next question, that is question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 15, and sum of whose squares is minimum. Next, moving to the next question. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is strictly increasing. Question number 5. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Next, question number 6. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. Next question, 7th one. Find two numbers whose product is whose product is 100 and whose sum is minimum. Question number 8. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Next question, 9th one. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing. Second one, strictly decreasing. Next, 10th question for 3 marks. Find the equations of the tangent and the normal to the curve x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 2 at 1, 1. These are the expected questions for 3 mark. Now I am giving you that in part D for 5 mark for question number 43. And after giving all the expected questions from all the chapters, I will explain how to get out and how to select which questions we have to select in the main exams, how to represent them. For 5 mark, in part D, at question number 43, write the first one. A particle moves along the curve six y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Next, question number 2. The length x of a rectangle. The question related with rectangle. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. 3 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change of the perimeter. Second one, the area of the rectangle. Again, that is the rate of change. Area of the rectangle. Next question. Question number 3. A ladder 24 feet long leans against a vertical wall. The lower end is moving away at the rate of 3 feet per second. Find the rate at which the top of the ladder is moving downwards if its foot is 8 feet from the wall. Next question. The length x of a rectangle. Question number 4. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Next, sixth question. A ladder 5 meter long leans against a vertical wall. The lower end is moving away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height? When foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Next, question number 7. That is, question number 6. This is 5. This is important question. At the rate of 12 cubic centimeter per second, the falling sand form a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. See, here I gave a 5 mark expected questions, but for 5 marks if you refer NCERT 6.1 exercise, this is better because in that again you have examples related with sphere also. So these are the expected questions in the applications of derivatives, and it carries 10 marks. Total from derivatives you have a 32 marks.